So when you're flying and you have minimum that you want to bring on your carry-on bag, this is what I literally took. This is what I took on my carry-on. These are kind of important things, but yet it's very minimal. So I'm going to go through them with you. Alcohol swabs. These are really good to have just for cleaning your hands or wiping down something. Another thing I have is just some lotion. This is TSA approved. It's 2.25 ounces. Just have some lotion with me. Of course, when you want to travel, if you're going to fly, I always carry some gum. This is just a minimal packing. And then these are great. I just got these at Walmart. The little fragrance-free hand wipes, because it's dirty. When you're in an airport, it's probably the most dirtiest place you will ever be. So little towelette hand wipes. You want to at least have some, put your hair up. If you have kids, always carry something to put your hair back. And of course, Band-Aids. I always put Band-Aids in a little Ziploc, because you never know when you're going to scrape yourself. You always want to cover anything that's, if you're scraped. Lip gloss. Got to have some Laneige lip gloss, of course, right? I'm going to put some on right now. A little bit of added color to your lips. It never hurts. More wet wipes. And you know what? If you're a person that kind of spills on themselves, like me, this is what I like to carry, because it never fails. It never fails. I always spill something on myself. And this has helped me out. Even like makeup. Another thing, I'll have like makeup right there, and like how embarrassing. You get off the plane, you meet the people that you're going to go out with, and then you have makeup on you. Carry this with you. This will wipe it right off. Or if you spill something, carry this. This is a good one. More alcohol wipes. I always like to make sure that my hair is nice, so I carry this little sample with me. And of course, eye drops. When you fly, your eyes are going to get red and irritated because the air is just super dry up there. And then last but not least, Pepto-Bismol. If you have any trouble tummies, whatever, I always, just in case, like to carry something with me. And then, of course, when you get off the plane and you forgot to put your earrings on, I always carry some earrings in there too. So these are the little things that I carry with me, just because, how funny. Some eyeshadow if you want to kick your eyelids up with a little zhuzh. But yeah, these are things that I just carry with me. Another thing, most important, I carry a check with me, because if something were to happen and my card is kicked into a fraud alert, I at least have a check with me that I can go and get cash out or pay for whatever I'm paying or need. So those are things that you need to think about when you're traveling. Is your credit card going to get into fraud alert because you went somewhere and you charged? So that's happened to me several times, and I have been out money. So now I carry one check with me. You can carry a whole check, but in my little to-go bag that is with me, carry a check with you just in case. That is probably the most important thing. And any kind of, let's see here. So if you have headaches, just put it at the bottom, or put it like a little sealed container. Just put this in your bag. TSA will not give you any huff and puff over a little bag full of minute little things. So carry-on bag, there you go, you're set, and you're ready to have fun.